Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday in the sun from tonight. It's your special day, time to celebrate. You're another year older, don't you hesitate. Cake and candles, presents and joy. Happy birthday to you, you're the real McCoy. Happy birthday to you, for you. Happy birthday to you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Happy birthday, Oka!
Happy birthday, brother! One, kanta tayo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Oka. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, brother. Wishing you good health and long life. You are truly blessed. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tito. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tito Oka. Love you.
Ay, Tito! Happy birthday sa'yo, Tito Oka. Wishing you always good health. Ingat kayo lagi dyan nila tita, ng mga bata. We love you. We miss you. God bless po sa inyo dyan. Love you, Tito Oka. Happy birthday.
Hi, Oka. Good morning from the Philippines. Happy birthday to you. It's been a while since we see each other. The kids are grown-ups now, and we are. Now, we're not getting older. I'm just kidding. Anyway, I wish you good health. I wish you the best. Happy birthday. We miss you guys. Hopefully we see each other and the kids soon. Say hi to my favorite cousin. I love you guys all. Happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday from Spice Family!
Hi, Koy Oka. We wish you all the best in life. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Oka. This is Ate Cora from California. Wishing you all the best. Enjoy your special day and God bless you always. Bye.
From Philippines to Alaska, I want to greet you, Oscar the Golden Boy. Happy birthday. Ngayon nga lang na makakasama. I thought kasi you're going to celebrate your 50th birthday here in the Philippines. But then, happy ako kasi magkakasama na kayo dyan. And I'm thankful kasi you're a responsible father to your kids and a loving husband to them. And keep safe always, guys. I love you all. Bye-bye. Miss you.
Hello po, Sir Gabby. Happy birthday. God bless po.
Happy birthday, Louis Songsters from Paris.
Hi, Lou. I understand you're turning 55 this year. Congratulations. So I want to wish you a happy birthday. All my best to you and the family. And be well, brother. Take care.
Happy birthday, Louis Sangsta, the gangsta. We had a lot of fun on the Marine Highway when we were slap buddies. We used to hang out on the Marine Highway together, and Louis has always been a great guy, a stand-up individual, a stand-up family man, and he's a good friend. So I just want to wish him a happy birthday. I'm sorry this didn't get to you right away. I got wrapped up with a road trip down to Lake Chelan in Washington. But better late than never, and wish you all the best, you and your family. And it was a lot of fun hanging out with you. And I've got some good connections in the Philippines now as well. And maybe someday we'll all get together again. God bless and happy birthday, Louis. I won't forget. All right, buddy. Bye for now.
Mr. Oscar, welcome to the Showtime Studios. This is ABS-CBN. This is your walking tour. Hope to see you here. Happy birthday. You know, Dumbalicious.
Yes, happy birthday!
We just want to greet you happy birthday. Have the best time ever. God bless. Hi, Sir Oscar. Kami pong JBL. We would like to greet you a happy birthday.
God bless you always po.
Enjoy your celebration. God bless.
Hi Oscar, happy birthday. God bless you. Hello po kay Oscar, happy birthday po. Ito po si Darren. God bless you. And of course, enjoy your birthday. Salamat.
Hello, Oka. Happy birthday. God bless you. Sana magkita tayo.
Hi, Oka. Happy birthday, my dear. Sana magkita tayo and alagaan mo maigi ang sarili mo, ha? We love you.
Ay, birthday ni Oka.
Okay. First of all, happy birthday sa iyo, Oka. It's been so many decades na uli kitang nakita. Ng third year high school pa tayo. Happy birthday and may you have more birthdays to come. Regards din kay Kuya Elmo, Ate Vivian, Kuya Wilbang, Suzette, at ang crush ko ever since elementary at high school, walang iba kundi si Rachel. Kahit isang kiss lang, papunta ko dyan. Please, kahit isang kiss lang. Okay, thank you.
Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw. Happy birthday, Oscar. Sa ilalim ng buwan. Sino ba yan? Oscar. Ready? Go! Happy birthday, Oscar! Oscar! Happy birthday, Oscar! Hello, Oscar! Happy birthday, Oscar! See you soon, Oscar! Enjoy your special day, Oscar! Hey, Oscar! Happy birthday! God bless you! Hi, Oscar! Happy birthday to you! See you in showtime! Punta ka showtime, masaya dito. Happy birthday! More blessings, more good news! Oscar! Hey, Oka! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Oka! Kainin mo kami! Hi Oscar! Happy birthday sa iyo. Enjoy mo yung birthday mo. Ngayong birthday mo, pwede kang magwalwal, magwala ka, mag-drugs ka. Pero sa Mercury ka lang bibili ng drugs. Okay? Andrew. Keep up. Happy birthday, Oscar! Naku, it's your special day, ha?
Yes, and God bless you that birthday mo.
Yes, at keep up your good work, ha?
Ano ba yung work niya?
Hindi.
Ba't mo sinasabi?
Wala lang, baka may trabaho
Keep
na
up
siya.
the grass.
Ano keep up the grass? Di ba siya pupunta doon?
Ay, di naman hardinero.
Oo, di ba hardinero doon? Basta best wishes.
Best wishes, di ba siya kakasal? Birthday nga niya. Be careful sa falling debris.
At be careful, hindi nga siya naglalabas.
Di ba?
Oo, ito na lang. Good luck sa interview sa US visa.
Wala, hindi siya kukuha ng
Hindi
US
ko-
visa. Hindi ko alam buhay niya. Basta alam natin, birthday niya
Birthday
ngayon.
niya!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Oscar! Balita, birthday mo raw. I wanna greet you happy birthday, Oscar. And sana, syempre isang araw lang ang birthday, di ba? So isang happy birthday. Pero sana yung buong taon, you know, from the beginning of your birthday until sa next birthday mo, sana maging victorious nga. At saka sana maging matagumpay. Lahat ng mga plano mo, sana maging matupad po ninyo. God bless you. God bless and happy birthday. Hope to meet you someday, ha? Ingat.